How to hide songs on Spotify mobile application. I will do this tutorial on my Android phone, but you can always do so on any OS or any device that Spotify supports. As always, if you want to see more contents or tutorials like this, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Okay, here we go. First off, just open your Spotify application from your phone, then choose any albums or any songs that you wanted to hear. For instance, I will choose this one, and to actually hide the song, just click the three dots button right next to the title of the song on the right side. This one, then choose hide this song. Okay, a toast notification will be shown, informing you that the song has been successfully hidden, and the UI will be reflected. If you look at the song title is now Bittorrent, so to speak. And that's pretty much how you hide songs on Spotify. If you find this content helpful and you wanted to see more, please do not hesitate to subscribe, like, and comment down to our channel. If you have any suggestions or any topics that you want us at Simply How to cover, please do not hesitate. Also, put it on the comment section down below. Cheers, I hope it helps. Till the next tutorial, YouTube. Bye.